Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Hello everyone. I have some hair clips that I can put on this doll's hair so that I can do a good makeup. After that, you will apply this cream on your skin so that the makeup can set well. And I take out a little cream with the help of this brush and apply it to the doll with the help of a similar brush. And then you always use this gel foam primer company name Eyebrow primer. I apply this primer with the help of my fingers. Bland and bland. And then I took my favorite BB cream company name MAC BB cream. This BB cream is so easy to apply. I usually apply this BB cream for my daily routine makeup. I apply this BB cream with the help of this brush. I apply this BB cream with the help of this brush. I will cover the concealer with the help of this powder as if I have fixed all the problems in my life. After the fixing my BB cream, I made my eyebrows. If you want to know how can I made a perfect eyebrows, you can watch my previous videos. Now you watch this trick and tips. And then I sharp my eyebrows. You can see I took this concealer and the help of this brush I sharp my eyebrows corner. And then I took this peach color and apply for my eyes and bland. Blend it finely. Same color I apply my second eye and I apply and blend it very well. I'm gonna make a sharp wing with this brush. After that I'm going to create a small black wing eyeliner. And I will contour the nose. After that I will do contouring of my face, which I can show you here how to contour your face. Then I had applied eyelashes very carefully. If we are going to apply lipstick on the lips of the model, firstly, I applied a dark concealer to my model's lips, which are very large, as you can learn by watching the video, and blend it with the help of this brush. After that I will put blush on my cheeks here. Then gonna apply highlighter on the nose, cheeks and wherever you want. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end.